All right, this is number one. So let's take a look at, it's a little bit of a tricky question because it has multiple steps in it and you can't see clearly all the triangles that are in the shape. It's a rectangular prism, which finding the volume should be relatively simple. We just need the base area times the height, but what we're missing is we're missing this coordinate here. And then we can see, oh, well, look down here, we've got, this is actually a right triangle here. So if I had the hypotenuse here, I could use the hypotenuse with Pythagorean's theorem and the base to get the other base that we're missing, okay? But I don't have that. So if you see here, well, this is a right triangle here. So what we have here is this right triangle has a height of 9, and then the hypotenuse, the diagonal, is 15. And we're going to find this other diagonal in order to help us with that other triangle. So this is what we're missing here. I'll call this A, okay? So we know Pythagorean's theorem says that the sum of the squares of the base is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. So A squared plus 9 squared is equal to 15 squared. So A squared is equal to 15 squared minus 9 squared. We can't say that 9 squared plus 15 squared is equal to the square of the other side. The hypotenuse has to be the largest side. And then if we isolate that, A is equal to the square root of 15 squared minus 9 squared. And so A actually works out to 12. Okay, so we know that this is 12 here. Okay, well, we have a triangle there, right? So let's look at this triangle here. And this is the side we're missing. We'll call this D for depth or something. And so we have 4 centimeters, we have D, and the diagonal is 12. Okay. So 12 squared minus 4 squared is equal to D squared. Okay, I kind of skipped a step there. And so D is approximately 11.31, and we can use that to find the volume. So, and we should actually keep this in the calculator as a square root, keep it perfect. And so when we find the volume, we should get 407.3 centimeters cubed. Okay. And if it's slightly off of that, it's probably because we rounded it too early. Okay.